Hey everybody, welcome to this new video of Express. My name is Steven and I'm going to be showing you how to use Alibaba. So for this tutorial guys, I'm going to be using an actual application called Shopify, because Shopify is going to be helping me to link stuff from Alibaba into Shopify. So the question is, why do I want to check it out an online store if I wanted to see how this actually Alibaba is? So Alibaba is an actual manufacturer, a dropshipper supplier that can be helping you to get started to sell products that you don't have in your store but you still wanted to sell. For example, here into Alibaba, here are a lot, but truly a lot of items that you can sell into your store. And in order to get started, what you wanted to do is to first of all link a store into Alibaba. Then later on, we wanted to, let's see how we can get started here into Alibaba by adding a few products into your store, but figure out which are like the best products or like the most fitable and profit stuff for our store. First of all, I wanted to locate my online store. In my case, I'm using Shopify. Now that I have my Shopify store, I hit into applications, I hit into Alibaba, and then I wanted to create an account inside Alibaba. I have already linked my store inside Shopify. That's the reason why I downloaded Alibaba inside Shopify. So what I wanted to do is to open a new tab. I open my Alibaba, both of them are already linked. And let's go into the next step, which is finding the right product to sell. So if I go from this, let's say this linked, it's going to be sending me into the drop shipping section. If you open Alibaba from another place, it's going to be a little bit hard to import products. So check it out here. We do have, let's say for example, this product. And let's say that I wanted to add this directly into my store. We have the button that says add to import list. I choose that option. Then later on into the left part, we have the import list. If I go into import list, it's going to be showing me the product that I wanted to import into my store. So we do have the actual prototype, the variants, the price, the cost, the shipping fee, and the profit. I'm going to choose edit the product. And here, what I want to do is to change the actual name. I wanted to do this a little bit more smaller. The text you want to just, let's say I'm going to type, let's go for paddleboard. There we go. I'm going to delete the one that says dropshipping. There we go. And the product type, sports and entertainment collection. You want to go and the homepage of my store. You want to make sure that your store is linked in here. Now let's go into the description. The description and the variants actually looks really great. So you don't want to do anything here because all the information is actually granted automatically. Let's go into variants. Now into variants, as you can see, we have the color, the size, the cost, the shipping fee, and the actual price. So you wanted to make sure that your price is a little bit more higher than the actual cost plus the shipping fee, so you can earn a little bit more of, let's say, like a profit here. So let's say for example that this plus this is equal to 7,000 MXN. So if I go for 8,000, the profit I'm going to be earning to $822. So you compare the price. Let's go for now like this. And now what I wanted to do is to send this directly into my store. I'm going to hit it says push to store. And now as you can see, this one says loading, product being pushed to store. This one actually don't take like a lot. So what you wanted to do is after this one has been successfully done, you wanted to go back into your store. And here I wanted to go into the left part and focus into products. Inside my products, you should see now that my product is now listed here into my Shopify. So if I click into this eye, it says preview on online store. It's going to be popping up, and now I have my product, and here it is all the elements added automatically. So that's what the actual Alibaba does. It's going to be helping us to import products that are directly from them into us. So when we just enable a few payments and all that, you can go back, you go into your orders, and inside into your orders, you should see that your product had now been listed here. So as you can see, I do have now 10 orders actually, and I needed to get started with the actual fulfilled. So to make the fulfillment, I wanted to click into my product, and here is the actual price. These people actually bought the complete snowboard to get into fulfill the item, and I have the tracking number and the shipping courier, and I'm gonna hit now into fulfill the item. So as you can see guys, this is how we can use the actual Alibaba. If you wanted to find like the best products to sell, you can go back here into alibaba.com dropshipper, and here what you want to do is to look out for the top ranking. Once again, if you wanted to add a product for Alibaba into your store, you wanted to do this directly from the Alibaba application dropshipper. Otherwise, if you are directly from the actual application, this one actually does not have an actual link, but only to buy it directly from Alibaba. So with that being said guys, we have now reached into the very end of the video. You now know how to use Alibaba. Really simple application, and really great to find products to sell into your actual store. Speaking about dropshipper, thank you so much for watching the video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and well, with that being said, I'll see you next time.